In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your homepage from Yahoo to Google Chrome. If your browser is currently opening with Yahoo and you want to switch away from that, don't worry. This is a very simple change, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. This process only takes a moment, and once you're done, Chrome will be set up the way you want. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This is where you'll find many of the browser's controls and customization options. From that menu, click on Settings. When the Settings page opens, you'll see different categories on the left side or across the page, depending on your version of Chrome. The option you want to look for is Search Engine. Click on that to open the search engine settings. Inside this section, you'll find the setting that controls which search engine Chrome uses. If Yahoo is currently selected, click the drop-down menu or selection box and change it to Google. This tells Chrome to use Google instead of Yahoo when you search from the address bar or browser search features. After selecting Google, make sure Yahoo is no longer set as the active homepage option. If Yahoo was appearing automatically before, this change helps disable that behavior. So your browser is no longer tied to Yahoo as the default search experience. In most cases, once Google is selected here, the browser will stop prioritizing Yahoo. Take a quick moment to double-check that Google is now the selected search engine. That confirmation helps ensure the change was saved properly. Chrome usually saves these settings automatically, so there's no separate save button you need to press. If you want, you can close the Settings tab once you're done. The next time you use Chrome, your browser should now reflect the updated search preference. If Yahoo still appears, it may be worth checking your browser extensions or startup settings later. But for this process, the key change is selecting Google in the search engine section. And that's it. That's how to change your homepage from Yahoo to Google Chrome quickly and easily.